Hi guys, this is my Euro AUD support on daily time frame on July 11th, Thursday 2024. So the support for Euro AUD is pretty bad. So we are currently at here after getting the retest for this daily time frame, like breaking this and matching this level and coming down. So we're gonna head to 4 hour time frame. So we can see that we have this retest and moving down. So we are kind of in a consolidation between these blocks, like mm, getting trapped for 60 pips for 7 days. So going on to 1 hour time frame. So we can see that the price is clearly in a downtrend and it's making higher highs and lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and again lower low and equal high and lower low and so on until it break this lower high here and kind of like a change of character. So we after this, so before this break of trend line we had this structure here 15-minute one, like acting to this 4 hour support low. So kind of when we break this structure here, so at this retest I did not take a trade because I thought this would go down with the correlation with Euro. GBP is thinking that it's gonna break this low and have retest and go down, but GBP has 4 hour major support structure pushing this up. So I did not take a trade on both pairs. It's okay. So like 15 this after this structure broke on 3 minute. See, we had this kind of entry for us. Okay, so the cross for 60 on news. Oh, that's massive. Like this, like this. So if we had taken this trade, we would have probably lost this. So it's kind of a blessing in disguise. So if I had gone against this and took this trade, I would have been lost. Thank God I followed this trend line and did not take this trade. So it would be like this. So to be sometimes in a clear structure, if I had drawn like this, I would still would have not gone trade. So this is pretty decent. So if I had not used my single candle strategy, like had considering this as higher high rather than considering this as higher high, then I would have gotten a trade like this, like this, with 3 pips stop loss and all the way to the up. But I would have still not taken it because we had this trend line going on, trend line going on. So we thought it would break this because the price was in a clear round structure and we did not have any major 4 hour support or daily support for me to think that it's gonna reverse, so that support was still very low like here. So I did not take the trade. So I did not take this trade considering that it would break the structure. So it did not break the structure, rather than it broke the trend line and rather pushed it further up. So we have these two structures here. This seemed more important to me, so I marked this one as the main one and waited for the retest. But the retest did not happen successfully, so it just touched and formed this big candle. It kind of looks like not very interesting, so I did not take this trade. So I didn't. This is a new candle, so I did not take kind of like this as like my major structure, but it did break above this and came into retest, so that's a good sign. So I did not take that. So we would have waited a retest till here, but the news broke that down. So if I had shown that 4 hour support of GBP earlier, I probably might have taken this trade, but but somehow if I had taken this, I would have lost this considering this as major support. It happens, but we have to accept our losses. So I wouldn't have taken this trade again, rather 5 pips. So I think whatever happened happened for the good. So I think it's gonna be a lesson for me. Whatever happens, stick to the strategy. My strategy is that I even take one candle in 3 minutes as a structure rather than taking the whole before it happens. So I will stick to that. Okay, thank you.